Friends, before class I have discussed about the increasing decreasing functions. That is the most important topic. Yesterday I completed the total basic part of the increasing decreasing function. Whenever it is increasing, whenever in which interval the function is increasing, in which interval the function is decreasing. I explained a lot of examples and brief introduction part is over. Now today we discuss about the some more problems on the increasing decreasing functions. Very important questions, my dear students. Now the function f of x is increasing in interval x belongs to a comma b, means f dash of. Okay, next we are going to the next problem. F of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x. F of x is equal to sin 3x minus cos 3x, where 0 less than x less than 5. Where 0 less than x less than 5. Find the intervals in which the interval it is positive, in which interval it is negative. Okay. Now first you differentiate this one. F dash of x is equal to sin 3x derivative 3 cos 3x plus cos 3x derivative minus sin 3x means plus 3 sin 3x. Now this is f dash of x. Now multiplied, 3 taken common, multiplied and divided with 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 cos 3x plus 1 by root 2 sin 3x divided and multiplied with root 2. Now 3 root 2 into 1 by root 2 means cos sin 45 into cos 3x plus sin 3x into cos 45. What is going on? Cos A cos B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. 3 root 2 into sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B, 3x plus pi by 4. Yes, my dear students, sin 3x plus pi by 4. Okay. Now 0 to less than x less than pi is clearly is given, my dear students. What happened? 3 root 2. Okay. Now here 0 less than x less than pi is given, but this is 3x plus pi by 4. Now multiplying, it is given. What is the given relation here? Given relation is 0 less than x less than pi. Now here you discuss about the 100% we will use this relation 0 less than x less than pi here, but the sign of the angle is 100% 3x plus pi by 4. It will be converted into in this way. Okay, 3 into 0 0 less than 3 into x 3x less than 3 pi 2 pi plus pi 3 pi. Okay, observe that, plus again adding pi by 4 less than 3x plus pi by 4, 3x plus pi by 4 less than 3 pi plus pi by 4, 3 pi plus pi by 4, 3 pi plus pi by 4 how much? 3 pi plus pi by 4, 12 pi, 13 pi by 4. Okay, my dear students, 3 pi plus pi by 4. This is the value of 3x plus pi by 4, my dear students. This is the value of 3x plus pi by 4. Now we are going to the increasing f of x. Suppose what happened? F of x is increasing. F of x is increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0. What is the meaning of f dash of x here? 3 root 2 sin of 3 root 2, 3 into root 2, 3 into root 2 sin of 3x plus pi by 4 is positive. Is positive. 100% it is positive. 3 into root 2, 3 into root 2, 100% is positive. Okay. Now here sin is positive in which coordinates? Sin is positive in which coordinates? You know very well. Sin is positive 100% 0 to 180. Here 100% pi by 4 to pi. Again here from again 2 pi to 3 pi. 2 pi to 3 pi means again it is positive in the 2 pi to 3 pi. Actually observe that Here 45 degrees to 13 pi by 4 means 2 pi plus, actually 3 pi plus. Up to 2 pi, one circular rotation completed. 0, 90 pi, this is 2 pi. 2 pi to 3 pi here. 2 pi means again 0 to pi means 0 to pi. 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi. That's why this 3x plus pi by 4 is, how is this one? That implies 45 less than 3x plus pi by 4 less than up to pi. In this one pi is there. Pi by 4 means from here to up to this one. Rotations is going on. Okay. Or again here 2 pi. 2 pi to 3 pi must and should this value is positive. What is that one? 2 pi less than 3x plus pi by 4 less than 3 pi. More than 3 pi, again it is in third coordinate, that is negative. 2 pi to 3 pi is positive. Now what you want here, we want only the x value, means subtraction pi by 4. What happened? Subtraction pi by 4 means pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 0 less than 3x less than pi minus pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4. Or here also subtraction 3 pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 less than 3x less than 3 pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi minus pi by 4, 11 pi by 4. Okay. Now here divided by x, divided by 3, 0 less than x less than pi by 4, or divided by 3, 7 pi by 12 less than x less than 11 pi by 12, divided by 3, that is x belongs to 0 comma pi by 4 union 7 pi by 12 comma 11 pi by 12. That's why, my dear students, that is very easy and important one. This is increasing. Now it is going on decreasing. What is the decreasing function? What the decreasing function is going on? Okay. Now f of x is decreasing. Observe that. Second case. Means f dash of x is less than 0. Means 3 root 2 sine of 3x plus pi by 4 is 100% less than 0. 3 root 2 sine of 3x plus pi by 4 100% less than 0 means negative. Negative sine is negative in 182. Here 0 to here 0 to pi by 2, here pi also is there. Okay. Here pi to 2 pi 100% negative. Third and fourth quadrant pi to 2 pi 100% negative. This value, where is this value? Pi to, that is that implies pi less than pi to 2 pi. In this one here pi by 4 to 13 pi by 4 this value. In this one pi to 2 pi this value 100% sign is negative. Pi 3x plus pi by 4 less than 2 pi. Or again here 2 pi to 3 pi. After 3 pi he is there. More than, again 2 pi to 3 pi is positive. Again 3 pi to this one. This is more than 3 pi plus pi by 4 this one means 3 pi to 3 pi to 3 pi means 3 pi to this one. Third coordinate again. In this one pi to 2 pi is over. Okay. Again 2 pi to 3 pi. 3 pi after also some value is there. 3 pi, 13 pi by 4 is there. After 3 pi you are adding 5 by 4, that is 13 pi by 4. That is in third coordinate. Third coordinate also negative. Or what is that? 3 pi less than 3x plus pi by 4 is less than 13 pi by 4. Understood or not? 100%. 100% my dear students. Clearly observe that 0 to pi positive, pi to 2 pi negative 100%. Again 2 pi to 3 pi is positive. Already I used the 2 pi to 3 pi. Again 3 pi to ending value. 3 pi to ending value 13 pi by 4 is negative 100%. In third coordinate it is going into third coordinate. Now it is subtraction pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4 less than 3x less than 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Or here subtraction pi by 4, 3 pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi minus pi by 4, 11 pi by 4 less than 3x less than 13 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 means 2 pi. 2 pi, 13 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 12 pi by 4, that is 3 pi. That is 3 pi. Okay. Now divide by 3. 3 pi by 12 less than x less than 7 pi by 12, or divide by 3. 11 pi by 12 less than x less than pi. Therefore, x belongs to 3 pi by 12 comma 7 pi by 12 or union 11 pi by 12 comma pi. 11 pi by 12 comma pi. This is, in this interval the function is decreasing, my dear students. Very, very important question. Okay. Now we will practice this type of questions. We will do. Okay. You will do. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay. Ask me. If you have any doubt, please contact in my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.